Many videos ago, we talked about using the vertical symmetry tool to make faces. This time around, I want to show you how you can use the horizontal symmetry tool to create reflections. So let's get right into it. Let's start off by activating our brush tool. And then in Photoshop, you have your symmetry tool. It's a butterfly. If you click on the butterfly, we're going to choose horizontal in this case. And we'll just leave it in its current position, but you can move it if you want. I'll just do that by hitting enter. It just basically stays in its position. And I'm going to go ahead and create a set of icebergs. And you can use this to create trees or what have you, but I haven't drawn any snow environments in quite some time, so kind of wanting to change what I draw a little bit. So I've got these bankments here. Notice as I draw on the top, the symmetry tool is actually filling in the stuff on the bottom, which is actually kind of neat. I'll add some textural information, etc. So that looks pretty good. Now, what I can do is I can turn off the symmetry tool. And then for the bottom part of this particular drawing, I'm going to use uh, the rectangular marquee tool, and I'll simply hold down the shift key and make a certain number of lines that are going to be unevenly spaced. So I'll make some lines closer, some lines further apart. I'll vary the thickness of those lines. I'm going to rinse and repeat this process. You might actually have more lines towards the top here. And I'll just quickly complete this out. I'm going to hit Control X. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me an opening for creating some ripples along the surface. So that's why I'm adding those spaces in there. So I'll just quickly fill the rest of this out. Control X. And then on a new layer, what I can do is I can come back in with my brush tool, hold down the shift key, and add some lines in. This just gives the illusion of water, and you can always finish that out by adding some other ripples to suggest that you're dealing with water on the surface. So I'm just drawing this line out here. If I zoom out, I'll add to that line and just put some lines in, and you've got a reflected surface. So pretty cool. You can use this with any kind of environment, but just saves a lot of time. If you found value in this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up so other folks can find it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.